How to reset Trane furnace. How to reset Trane. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you on how to reset the Trane furnace. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video and see how to do that. So for that, you can just locate the switch for your thermostat in the pickup box. You can flip the switch to the off position for about 20 to 30 seconds and then return the switch to the on position again. And the reboot process will take several minutes to complete. After that is completed, it should probably reset your Trane furnace as well. So that is it. That is how you reset a Trane furnace by following up this method for now. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.